Hello friends, welcome to the tootscorner.com videos. Today let us know what is vital wheat gluten. Is it healthy? Its nutrient profile that follows with a high protein recipe. Let us begin. You must have come across an optional ingredient while scrolling the various baking recipes that are teaspoons of vital wheat gluten. Since it is rarely available, you tend to avoid its addition. It is like a flour and it is complete gluten with traces of starch. This vital ingredient helps in increasing the chewiness, improves elasticity, and helps in raising the raw dough. It thus shows miraculous results when adding about 1 tablespoon of wheat gluten for 2 to 3 cups of flour. Wheat gluten is the main protein of wheat. It is made by washing wheat flour dough with water until the starch gets removed. The remaining sticky, insoluble, elastic mass is the wheat gluten. Now let us see how is wheat gluten healthy for you. It is also known as Seitan, a vegan substitute for meat, made from wheat gluten and water. It is very nutritious with enough protein and other minerals and is low in carbs and fat. For example, a 3-ounce serving contains 15 to 21 grams of protein. It contains a minimal amount of fat, that is, one serving has only 0.5 grams of fat. Since it is a product of wheat and not soy, it becomes a likable food for people with soy allergies or sensitivities. Being a highly processed food, but low in calories, sugar and fat, the intake of the same does not result in obesity like other processed foods. Consuming more than moderation may result in bloating, diarrhea or joint pain, and it is made from wheat flour that may be allergic to many people who are sensitive to gluten. Thus, it can be concluded that including vital wheat gluten in your diet may be beneficial for you as it contains many nutrients, but avoid using it if you are sensitive to the same. Also, read the label before buying as it may have high sodium content that again comes with side effects. Now let us prepare high protein wheat bread. Please note down the ingredients. You need wheat flour 1 cup, all-purpose flour half cup, extra light olive oil 2 tablespoons, vital wheat gluten 1 tablespoon, salt a pinch, sugar 2 teaspoons, instant dry yeast 1 teaspoon, and 3/4 cups of water. Note down the method. Firstly, mix sugar and water together. Add instant dry yeast to it and mix well. Keep for 10 minutes. Take a bowl and add wheat flour, all-purpose flour, extra light olive oil, vital wheat gluten and salt. Add the yeast mixture to it and mix to make dough. Keep it for 30 minutes to raise. Knead the dough again and transfer it to the baking tray. After 30 minutes, bake it in convection mode for 15 minutes. Wheat bread is ready to serve. I hope you love the preparation of wheat bread and would try the same using wheat gluten and avail the benefits of the vital component that you had missed in many recipes. Thank you.